This time I'll show you what is in the box for the case of MP750511 instrument from Multicom Pro. In this case we have a clear box. There is no first look branding, but we have a label with Multicom Pro, the instrument, in this case an arbitrary waveform generator to 60 MHz, and the kind of electrical wire, for my case US format. Now, what is inside? First, we have this box with two BNC connectors, two-sided BNC connectors. Remember, this is a two-channel waveform generator. USB connection. We have some interface to control the instrument, the power cord, and finally two manuals: the quick guide the technical specification, and compact disc, I believe, with the digital format manuals and the software to have some commands or data from the instrument. Now the instrument. We have an interesting package. Okay. This is it. Okay. A back instrument with Ethernet connection, USB connection, the power cord connection with fuse, some synchronization connections, and this is interesting. This is the first time I look a protection in the BNC connectors. Okay, we have some protectors here. 1 and 2 channels up to 60 MHz. The model MP750511. Okay, the kind of waveforms, USB connection, the control or configuration panel, so on and so forth. Finally, we could take a look like in the same level. Okay. If you had know this level, you could use this fit to improve the visualization angle. Now, let's test the instrument.